Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn and write 10 birds name. So let's start. First number is parrot, means tota. Second number is owl, means ullu. Third number is cuckoo, means quail. Fourth number is duck, means batak. Fifth number is pigeon, means kabutar. Sixth number is swan, means hens. Seventh number is sparrow, means goraya. Eighth number is bulbul, means bulbul. Ninth number is penguin, means penguin. Tenth number is bat, means chamgadad. For more videos, subscribe Siddharth Vidya Classes.